Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie pizza. First, let's prepare our dough. Start with 250 grams of all-purpose flour, adding 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, a pinch of sugar, and 150 milliliters of warm water. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for 8 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface. This develops the gluten, giving your crust that perfect chewiness. Let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out to your desired thickness, typically about 1/4 of an inch. Transfer it to a lightly oiled pizza pan. Now for the flavor. Spread about 1/4 cup of your favorite tomato sauce, leaving a 1/2 inch border for the crust. Then, generously sprinkle 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Add your preferred toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, or bell peppers. Preheat your oven to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot oven is key for a crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese. Carefully transfer your topped pizza into the preheated oven. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly caramelized. Keep an eye on it, as oven temperatures can vary. This quick bake ensures everything cooks evenly and deliciously. After removing your pizza from the oven, resist the urge to cut it immediately. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the cheese to set and prevents all your delicious toppings from sliding off. Slice into 8 equal pieces using a sharp pizza cutter. Garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for an extra touch of flavor. Enjoy your homemade pie pizza. Don't forget to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.